So the topic is sex determination. You know, in human beings, there is a male and there is a female. Okay, the male has, in human beings, the chromosome number is 46. So the male has 44 chromosomes, which are called autosomes, and there is a pair of sex chromosomes which are called XY type. These are 44 autosomes. The chromosomes other than sex chromosomes are called autosomes. Whereas the female has 44 chromosomes plus X and X. Sex chromosomes are XX type. Okay. Now, these are the parents. These parents will produce the gametes. In the gametes, the chromosome number is half, as you have already studied. So what will be the chromosome? Autosomes will be 22 plus X, yani this kind of gamete or a Y carrying gamete. Okay, so two types of gametes are produced by the male, X carrying and Y carrying. So the male is called heterogametic. The male is heterogametic. Okay, now the female will produce this 22 autosomes plus X type of gamete. Only one type of gamete is produced by the female. If this gamete is fertilized by this gamete, what will be the chromosome number? 44 plus XX means it will be a female. XX combination is a female. So this is the female child. Okay. Whereas if this gamete is fertilized by this, so what will be the sex of the child? The child will be a male child. Okay. So the male child. Without. Now that means the male is producing two types of gametes. Male is heterogametic, whereas the female is producing only one type of gamete. She is called the homogametic. Okay, she produces only one type of gamete. Clear? Now the sex of the child is decided if which of these two fertilizes the egg. The gametes in humans are called egg and sperm. So which type of sperm, X carrying or Y carrying, fertilizes the egg will be deciding the sex of the child. Okay, male produces 50% of this type, 50% of this type of sperms. So दोनों में से chances are 50-50, यानी गर्ल और बॉय होने का चांस 50-50 है, and only the sperm will decide the sex of the child. Clear? So this is the sex determination in case of humans. Clear? Now in some birds and some say ये जो मुर्गी वगैरह हैं, the hen etc., the sex, the female is homogametic. The male is homogametic and the female is heterogametic. इसलिए इसको सिंबल थोड़ा अलग दे दिया, ZZ and ZW. So the female की बजाय the male is homogametic and the female is heterogametic. Clear? So this male will produce only one type of autosomes plus. Okay, autosomes plus. So this will be A plus Z. This will be A plus Z or A plus W. Two types of gametes. If this gamete fertilizes this, the sex will be male, मुर्गा होगा. और अगर ये इसको फर्टिलाइज कर देता है तो मुर्गी होगी. कोई doubt? So this is the sex determination in case of birds. Now we will discuss a condition called haploid diploid sex determination. Haploid diploid type of sex determination. It's a kind of unique sex determination in case of honeybees. The honeybees, the chromosome number is 32 in the female. The female produces the gametes. The gametes will have chromosome number 16, and if the egg is fertilized, it will produce a male. Okay, if or female, sorry, if the egg is fertilized, it will produce a unfertilized egg will produced parthenogenesis. इसको कहते हैं parthenogenesis. Unfertilized egg will produced parthenogenetically a male. So male are produced parthenogenetically without fertilization. So these male will have chromosome number only 16. Now how these male will reproduce? They will produce by mitosis. They will reproduce by mitosis, and they will produce, the chromosome number will be same. If this male gamete fertilizes the female, there will be another type of female, and the chromosome number will be again 32. 16 plus 16, 32. So this is the case in case of honeybee. Now what decides कि किस तरह की क्वीन बी बनेगी कि दूसरी वर्कर बी बनेंगी? It will be decided by the type of food they take. If the larvae, they are fed on royal jelly, तो queen bee बनेगी. If the larvae are fed on pollens, तो worker bees बनेंगी. Clear? So this is the case in case of this is called haploid diploid sex determination, because in both the types of individuals are there. Clear? Now the fourth type of sex determination is where the female is XX type and the male is XO type. In case of grasshopper, इस तरह की मिलती है, grasshopper और some insects. इसमें the female is होमोगैमेटिक, एज इन ह्यूमन बींग्स फीमेल होमोगैमेटिक है, वो एक ही तरह का गैमेट बनाएगी. सॉरी, ऑटोसोम्स प्लस लिख दीजिए. ऑटोसोम्स प्लस जितने भी ऑटोसोम्स होंगे, तो ऑटोसोम्स प्लस एक्स, ऑटोसोम्स प्लस एक्स एंड ऑटोसोम्स प्लस one chromosome is lesser in males. So male will produce two types of gametes, one carrying one chromosome less. Clear? So if this gamete fertilizes this, तो autosomes plus XX यानी female बनेगी, will be female grasshopper. If this fertilizes this, it will be a male grasshopper. इसमें एक chromosome less होगा. There will be one less. So what will be this will be a male. इसमें chromosome number 2n होगा. Clear? इसमें 2n में से एक कम होगा, जितना भी chromosome number है उससे एक कम होगा. So this is the kind of sex determination in some insects, grasshopper, etc. So I hope you understood the topic. So next topic we will discuss is mutations. Thank you.